Hi guys! Good afternoon. I'm Cheryl Gutierrez, Sales Executive here at Mitsubishi Paco, Manila. For today's vlog, 2026 Expander GLS Automatic, now zero down payment, may free 2 years PMS at 80,000 free fuel points. Insulating windshield, may new aerodynamic design, naka 360 camera, LED DRL, naka LED na projector headlight, LED fog light. 17 inches two-tone alloy wheels. Ventilated disc brake sa harapan at drum brake sa likod. 10 inches touchscreen monitor with smart audio control and Apple CarPlay. Single zone automatic control system. Automatic sa kanyang transmission with brake, auto hold, and electronic parking brake. Naka 3-spoke leather wrap steering wheel with tilt and telescopic function. Meron din tayong cruise control and sa kanyang media control din po. Push start button and then meron din tayong black high-grade fabric seats. Naka dual airbags na rin po tayo, both passenger and driver. Equipped with center armrest and cup holders. Ito siya na ISOFIX. Meron din siyang charging port at aircon vents sa second row. Naka-fin type antenna, meron din siyang built-in spoiler with third brake light. Tapos ang kanyang tail light is combination na LED at bulb type. Meron na rin tayong 360 camera and then rear bumper. Interested po kayo sa aming mga expander? Ito po ang ating red metallic and ito po ang quartz white pearl. Ang retail price po natin is 1,259,000 para sa red metallic and 1,274,000 para sa quartz white pearl. So, mag-inquire man lang po kayo sa aking number sa 0977-124-3205. And I'm Cheryl Gutierrez, your Mitsubishi Otis Paco.